Assalamu alaikum, colleagues. This is a very short video to give you some idea about how we can use Zoom to record our lecture videos. Also, during the live sessions, we can incorporate Zoom so that it will be very useful for us. Here, I just want to cover the 4 points that which I think maybe during a lecture teacher can encounter while preparing a lecture or demonstrating live session to the students. So I'm using, in fact, the main point of this video is just to let you know that Zoom could be used as a video recording tool as well. If you do not want to use it for a live session, at least you can use it for demonstrating your lecture or recording your lecture. So during a lecture, a teacher may require to share any PDF document or a slides to discuss with the students. So here I'm recording my lecture. So what I can see, I can clearly use PDF document to record or demonstrate or give some idea about the lecture, whatever be the requirement. On the same screen, maybe I required uh, any PowerPoint slides which I already made. So I can just switch to PowerPoint slide and it will record those lectures points as well. So I can demonstrate things during my slides, moving ahead or demonstration. Maybe during the slides, I need to write something or to demonstrate something which is exists in any other document, let's say Microsoft Word. So I can switch to Microsoft Word and here I can discuss or type anything that student may be required during the lecture. And keep in mind that this all are recording automatically in a one go. There is no need to separate edit your videos. Extra point is that I have a Wacom tablet, writing tablet. Although it's not mandatory, but I found it very convenient during the lecture. I can use it to write during the lecture or to answer the queries because I'm a mathematics teacher, so I may need to solve problems as compared to other faculty member more than that. So to answer the queries during a live session or during the recorded lecture, I can use this tablet feature so that I can write down different aspects what I have to demonstrate during. I can also use to draw some graph or other features or make it much more interactive by changing the colors or anything else. This is also possible. So this is one of the second possibility that during the recorded lecture you may need to use Microsoft Word document live, so you can use it. Oh, and obviously you can use other features as well like equation editor and anything during the lecture. Maybe I don't know, but these are just the possibilities that I want to cover. And the third thing, uh, oh, in fact, this is the third point. One is the PDF document or slides. Other is PowerPoint slides. Then the third one is Microsoft Word live documentation during the recorded lecture. And the fourth one, which is the most important, is that maybe I want to use or I want to make my lecture very interactive and I want to use some YouTube contents during the lecture. So Zoom can record your YouTube or any other video that you are playing during your session from a share screen automatically into your video with sound as well. There is no need to bother for extra editing. It by clicking just add to a sound system sound, you can add anything. So for example, in this video, in this step, I will show a video that is recorded by me earlier on my channel, and now I'm going to play it during the lecture. However, I suggest do not talk while the video is playing because it will overwrite your voice. If not overwrite, in fact, it will record both the sounds, so it will not easy for the students. So, however, it is if you want to use the same feature in a live session, so student can see your video and the sound of the video as well. So, let me play. One thing more, there are copyright issues, so I suggest not to use anyone else content in your video. But if you have some other video before your lecture or something that you can think it will very easy during the lecture, to demonstrate the point, then you can do it. Or if you have a permission to use certain videos during the lecture, maybe some educational video, then you can incorporate. So please keep in mind the copyright issues. However, this video is just to demonstrate the possibility that this could be done as well. So for example, I'm going to play a video inside a video of a Zoom session. And so let's see. Let's say in this example, it seems like a step function or something, that they have a graph of a function 2, uh, and they want to evaluate the limit at 2. So if I look towards the 2, this value, so I can clearly see that this color dot is related to this graph, which means that at x equal to 2, so this is just to demonstrate. Similarly, you can use other YouTube videos or many YouTube videos in a one recorded feature as well. So I think these are the few 4 points or documents that one can use as a teacher during the lecture that can be helpful. So here I just demonstrated that all these 4 sources can be coupled or combined in a single video without doing any editing or something. You just need to prepare a lecture accordingly and just go with the lecture flow and demonstration. So this is just one session, and I'm quite sure Debian and other software can record the videos as well, but I'm not, I have no idea how to record a video inside a video of other software, but there are other possibilities too. It is just to demonstrate this video. So I hope you like this small tutorial, or just an thought that all these things are possible during a one session. There is no need to be a computer geek to solve or record a video session. So I'd like to thank you all of you for your time.